Om Shanti. Today 25 August 2021. This is the words of Shiv Baba to us. Sweet children, the nature of remaining peaceful is very good. Those who have a peaceful nature are very sweet. Instead of speaking of wasteful things, it is better not to speak. Instead of speaking of wasteful things, it is better not to speak. Question: which children does everyone love? What is the way to keep yourself safe? Answer: those who serve everyone with a lot of interest and love are loved by all. You must never have any arguments about service. Give others the mask of knowledge that you have received from the Father and remind everyone of Shiv Baba. You will remain very safe through this pilgrimage of remembrance. To the extent you stay in remembrance, you will accordingly you have that much happiness and your manners will continue to be reformed. Dharna. Point number 1. Use your time in a fruitful way in remembrance of the Father. Do not waste this invaluable time anywhere. Become introverted and make effort that is become soul conscious. Point number 2. Now we Brahmins are even more elevated than the deities. We have now won the lottery of the imperishable jewels of knowledge. We have become knowledgeful, and so our faces must always be in bloom with happiness. Continue to jump with joy internally. Blessing. May you be constantly successful by becoming victorious in every thought with the company of corporeal and incorporeal fathers. Just as an incorporeal soul and a corporeal body are together able to do everything. In the same way, when you keep both the corporeal and incorporeal Father with you are in the front of you while you perform every task and create every thought, you will become an embodiment of success. This is because when Bap Dada is personally in front of you. This is because when Bap Dada is personally in front of you, you will definitely have everything verified by him. Everything is verified by Shiv Baba, and you would then carry it out with faith and fearlessness. By doing this, you will save your time and thoughts. Nothing would be wasted, and every action will automatically be successful. Slogan: spiritual love is even more valuable than physical wealth, and so become master ocean of love. An invaluable gift received from Dadiji to share with the class on the 14th anniversary of Dadi Prakashmani ji. 1. Godly disciplines and codes of conduct are the real decoration of our lives. Imbibe these in your life and constantly continue to progress. Point 2. Always have the intoxication that you are the light of God's eyes. Remain hidden in God's eyes, and the storms and hurricanes of Maya will not be able to shake your stage. Always stay under the canopy of Baba's protection, and Baba, the protector, will always continue to protect you. What is say? Baba is protector, and the protector will always continue to protect you. Point 3. The beloved of all of us in one Baba, and so share the things of your heart with only Him. Never make bodily beings your friends and have wasteful thoughts or thoughts of others with them. Point 4. Let there never be any sign of sadness, dislike, or hatred of your face. Always stay happy and continue to share that happiness. Always stay happy and continue to share that happiness. Make the atmosphere of your center one of such happiness that you make everyone fortunate with happiness. Point number 5. The more introverted you become and more you imbibe silence of the mouth and mind, the more the atmosphere of the place will be filled with light and might, and this will make an impact on those who come there. This is the service of giving subtle sakash. Point number 6. Never have any conflict with anyone over any type of mine, and yours disagreements with one another are the biggest obstacles to service. Become free from these obstacles and make other free to. Point number 7. Give respect to the ideas of one another. First of all, listen to one another and then take a decision, and there would not then be two opinions. Definitely give respect to all, young and old. Point number 8. Now all the Baba children have to become minds of containment, such that when others see you, they all become content. Always remains content and make others content. Point number 9. Remember 4 mantras all the time. Remember 4 mantras all the time. Mantra number 1. Never be careless, always remain alert. Never be careless, always remain alert. Point number. Mantra number 2. Never dislike anyone, always have good wishes for everyone. Never dislike anyone, always have good wishes for everyone. Mantra number 3. Never have jealous or compete with others. Have a race for your progress. Never have jealous or compete with others. Have a race for your progress. Mantra number 4. Never become impressed by any person. Never become impressed by any person, object, or comfort. Always stay under the influence of one Baba. This was the 4 mantras. Always be remember. You should have always remember these 4 mantras. Point number 10. All of us are royal children of the royal father. Always fill yourself with the sanskars of royalty and beauty. Remain free from sanskars of a slave. Never let go of your truth. Point number 11. Daily definitely experience 5 minutes of silence every hour, and you will receive the power to become victorious all over situations. You will be able to conquer Maya when you stay in yoga with knowledge. Point number 12. Along with doing service, let your state feel stable and constant. The Yoga Bhakti is essential for this. You must all stay in a gathering and practice this, and you will also receive the power of the gathering. Point number 13. Let no sign of unhappiness, dislike, or hatred be visible on your face. If there is a slight difference of opinions among yourself, finish it with your tapasya. Do not speak about it in front of one another. By speaking about it, you spoil the atmosphere. Point number 14. No matter how much others try to spoil your mind. Never come under their influence. The influence of other company is also very bad. It changes your intellect. Have love for everyone. All are friends, but do not make anyone your personal friend. Underline this. Have love for everyone. All are friends, but do not make anyone your personal friend. Underline this. Om Shanti.